Buttons. Buttons is my robot. He is 17 feet tall. He is stronger than a tractor. He could walk right through a wall. He could crush a rock to pebbles underneath his giant feet. He could bowl a bigger boulder down the center of the street. He could wrestle with a vessel if battleships had arms, or alert the town of danger with his thunderous alarms. He is built with iron armor that is dipped in liquid steel with a scratchless, rustless finish and a waterproofing seal. He has rocket boosters also. They are built with so much power, he could fly to Rome and back to home in under half an hour. It is kind of hard to camouflage a robot of his size, but I think you would be quite impressed to see how hard he tries. He's the strongest and the steadiest big thing you'll ever see. While some might find him scary, he is really good to me. He is such an awesome robot. He is friendly, smart, and strong. But he's also bored. His power cord is only 10 feet long.